What's up, kids? Let's get spooky. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a costume for a college student during midterms, because there's nothing spookier than midterms. And to liven things up, Nicole's gonna read off some spooky stories for me to react to. So let's get this spooky bread. Alright. I'm going to be using the Morphe 1945 brush. Use code JAMES for 10% off. We're going to dip into Pit of Despair. And we're just gonna... James Charles is quaking. I'm a beauty guru. James Charles is quaking. Next color I'm going to be dipping into is a pumpkin spice latte. We're just going to put it right on top. Just whatever's. Ooh. Oh. Spooky.
There was a picture in my phone of me sleeping. I live alone.
Ooh, spooky. Alright, now that we're sufficiently pumpkin spiced up, I don't know what comes next. I'm just a beauty guru. Now we're going in with this color, which is called Spooky Mocha. We're just gonna put that in the somewhere, you know, the crease, whatever that's called. Oh, sorry, by the way, this is the Morphe 711. Use code JAMES for 10% off and a Slurpee. I'm just gonna go in with the other eye too with the Grave Mocha Dirt. Sorry, this Morphe 711 brush really isn't working for me. I'm gonna go in with the 1945. Use code JAMES for 10% off. We're just gonna blend in and blend, and hopefully it'll erase all of our sins and missing assignments. And that's looking pretty good.
My daughter won't stop crying and screaming in the middle of the night. I visit her grave and ask her to stop.
Ooh, spooky. That was gnarly, I'm not gonna lie. That was pretty gnarly.
Go ahead.
We're gonna finish this look off with some straight A's. Fingers crossed. Ooh, she is shimmering. Jeffree Star is quaking. Beauty gurus, who? Me. Great. So we're back in with our Morphe 2012 brush. Use code JAMES for 10% off.
I was having a pleasant dream when what sounded like hammering woke me up. After that, I could barely hear the muffled sound of dirt covering the coffin over my own screams.
Spooky, spooky, spooky. I hate it. Take it away. I don't want it.
You don't want to be buried alive?
No thank you. Good enough. Now that we finished that, we're just gonna hop over and do some eyeliner. We're just gonna do a delicate little...
You hear your mom calling you in the kitchen. As you are heading down the stairs, you hear a whisper from the closet saying, "Don't go down there, honey, I heard it too."
Spooky. So like, which one's the mom though? Because the mom could be in the closet.
Yeah.
Or she could be downstairs.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine.
Alright. Thinner than Mariah Carey. We're just gonna do the same thing to the other side, just really thin.
The longer I wore it, the more it grew on me. She had such pretty skin.
Oh my god. Oh my god. My eyes are watering right now. And that's great, but we don't have time because we're college students, so we're just gonna keep it going. If it goes past your eyebrows, that's just an added bonus. That is like bonus points. Ooh, girl, we looking spooky. We're gonna go in with a traffic cone for all the construction on campus right now, so we're just going to just a real subtle pumpkin-y highlight just right there. And we're using Morphe brush from God. Use code JAMES for 10% off. Girl, she blinding. Jeffree Star, who? With that same Morphe brush from God, use code JAMES for 10% off. And we're just gonna smoosh it around. We're just gonna swish swish, you know, as the kids say. Great. Alright, don't forget the other places, like here, I think, and here, and here, and here. Great. Let's move on to lips. This is a 20-point curve.
For sale. Like new engagement ring, barely worn, came right off her finger. Finger also for sale for the right offer.
Perfect. And that's about it. Foundation, we don't need it. Primer, who has time? Now it's time for the mascara. This one is called a New Parking Garage.
My girlfriend is scared of horror movies. They make her paranoid, which can be tricky when I'm watching her through the living room window.
Oh my god.
Alright, are you ready for the last story?
Yeah.
You have 3 exams next week.
Great. Okay, and the last step is to set your face with this existential crisis spray. Refreshing. Since Halloween is on a Wednesday, you need a look that can go from exam time to spooky time. Now go out there and get that spooky bread.